Hello vloggers, let's go find out what is the best minimal vlogging setup. Alright, everything you need to vlog is right here in this small bag. I just put it on my belt and I can carry it easily with me all the time. Okay, let's see what we got here. The first part is this one, the Ulanzi case with the GoPro and the microphone adapter. The other one is this little tripod where I can screw it on the Ulanzi case, and there it is. And the external microphone, I plug it in here. It has a wind muff, and here it is. My vlogging camera is ready. Okay, let's go see the separate parts. The basic part, except the GoPro of course, is this Ulanzi case. There are two variations of this case. One is this, the standard one, where it has a standard GoPro extension, as you can see. It's got a lens cap over here, and here you put the external adapter for the microphone. And this is the Pro version of the Ulanzi case. The difference is, on the bottom it's got the standard tripod hole, and in front of the case it's got a standard 52mm filter. I use it a lot because I can fit there a 52mm variable ND filter. The ND filter helps the GoPro when there is a lot of light in sunny days. It cuts down the light and not having so contrast on the video. Or you can lower the speed of the shutter. It's a variable filter, you can turn it, and it has different variations of the light coming in. So one of the main problems of the GoPro is of course the sound. The sound quality is very bad in all GoPros. After the 5 series, 5, 6, 7 and even 8, it's not as good as an external microphone. So we use this gadget from GoPro. It's an external microphone adapter. In the Ulanzi case you can fit it easily in there, passing the cable first and then push it in. So you turn it like this, and it goes to the USB-C of the GoPro. Another extra of the Pro version of the Ulanzi case is this. This is a standard hot shoe adapter that you can fit underneath the case. And you can put extra accessories like the microphone, a big microphone, or a LED light, etc, etc. It also has these holes here, so you can bring it closer depending on the adapter. So you can put it closer depending on the accessory. It's also very easy to fit the GoPro in here. You just push it in. You must remove first the cap that reveals the USB-C port. Just plug it in and you close the gate with this cap. Is that easy? You just plug in then the adapter cable and it's ready. You put in the tripod and there it is. The only thing you have to put now is the microphone. As you can see, it has here a hot shoe, cold shoe actually, for the microphone. Many vloggers use the video micro from Rhodes. They just put it up there, but I believe it's very huge for this setup. So my suggestion is this little guy here, the e.t.c ETM001. It's a very small mic. You can see it's got no cable. You just plug it directly to the 3.5-inch plug, but it's very good quality and very high gain. You need to put a wind muff if you are a vlogger, because many times you're vlogging in a windy environment, so this is necessary. It's not as huge as the video micro. Just plug it in and there it is. You have the GoPro with an external mic of a very good quality, a tripod, a hot shoe above, and you're ready to vlog. It's a very discreet setup, no one will notice you with this, and it's very easy to put it again in the bag. You don't have to dismount it completely. You just remove the tripod, the microphone, you put it in this little case, and of course the GoPro with the Ulanzi case. That's it. Just close it. So this is the only thing you want with you when you're vlogging. It's a very minimal setup, but with great quality, great sound, great video, and people won't notice you when you're vlogging with this. So that's it, my friends. That's the minimal vlogging setup I recommend. Press the red button to subscribe now and leave your comments below on what do you think about this video. Thank you very much.